Alright, I'm going to go through how to not order the ebooks, but how to enter the information into Alma. So we're going to go to Oasis, and I'm going to sign in, and I'm going to pull up the purchase order. And where it says purchase order, we're going to put in the purchase order number and then click search. This is going to pull up a list of what I ordered in Oasis. So you see I had 18 titles for $2,112. What you can do is click the link that says download as an Excel spreadsheet. And the reason I'm saying that is because when you click print and you try to save this as a PDF document, it just comes out looking bad. So let's take a look at that and see. It looks like this, and it's kind of hard to read the information. And it's also lacking some stuff like the purchase order number. So I really don't like that. So we're going to click on download as Excel, and this is the file extension for Excel.xls. You can select what columns you want. So we're going to do title, author. It's pretty useless. ISBN 10 doesn't actually give you the ISBN number that you find in Alma, so I'm going to deselect that. I've never tried EAN ISBN, so we can do that one. Year, price, quantity, total, purchase order, publisher, and we don't need order status really. Ebook platform would be useful. And I'm going to go ahead and download that. Alright, so you're going to get something like this. And the platform is EBSCO. That's everything except this last one. This is, well, actually eBooks Central. Okay, so I did the ones that are in yellow already. We're going to do engineering graphics, and what I'm going to do is copy the ISBN, and we're going to open up Alma, and I'm going to show you this first. This is a list of our local collections, and for EBSCO you'll see that we have some ebooks that we purchased for EBSCO. So these, whoops, let me close that. No, that's right. That's what I just did. These two right here are going to go in this electronic collection. But you'll notice I don't have a e-collection for eBooks Central yet. For ProQuest, I just have eLibrary, and I have ProQuest Literature Online, which actually has no portfolios. But I'll need to add a collection for eBooks Central. But we can do that later. So what we're going to do first is take a look in Alma and see if we can find this title. That doesn't seem right, and that would be because I just added it. So we're going to go to row 5, Mastering Academic Writing. I'm going to look for this book and see if there's a record in there already, and there isn't in the institution zone, and there isn't in the network zone. And let's look at the community zone, and let's see if this is a decent record, because sometimes they're pretty bad. And I think we could probably do better than that. So, as we know, Ex Libris doesn't maintain the records in the community zone like we thought they would. So you have to go out and try to find a better record in connection. So let's log in to connection. And look at that one. This seems a little better. Alright, so I'm going to go and this is how I do it. Produce and update holdings. Actions. Batch. Process. And then we're going to copy this MMSID number. Go back to Alma. And from the Network tab, we're going to click on Order. And we're going to do Electronic Title one time, Hightower, assign inventory manually and create PO line, confirm, access provider is going to be ProQuest, we'll add a collection later, material supplier is going to be Oasis, and you see the price is $143. There isn't a discount. We're going to click Add Fund and Oasis. Material type is going to be Book. And the reporting code is, this is on academic writing, so it's for the social sciences. So it's on academic writing, so I'm just going to put it in for English, for lack of any place better. Manual packaging, and then save and continue. And it's going to give you the PO line 548, and that would be useful to have in the spreadsheet. So I'm going to add another line in here. And I'm going to add the other ones as well. Alright, I'm just going to highlight the row as we do it, and then continue out down to the bottom. So let's do the next one. Again, it always defaults to Institution tab. You can actually change that to default to the network zone. I'm not going to go through that here, but that is something you can do. Alright, so in the network zone, you can see that there is a record. That's from Kennesaw. We can take a look and see if it's any good or not. And it's not bad. If we wanted to, we could click Order right here, or we can take a look and see if we can find something better in OCLC. And you see that Kennesaw used the Community Zone Central Knowledge Base record. I'm trying to get away from doing that because they aren't going to update those for us, and generally they're not very good. So let's just take a look at this one and see if it might be just slightly better. It does have 856 fields in here. This is the CRC Press 2018 4th edition. I'm just going to go with the Kennesaw record. I don't really see anything wrong with it, so we're going to do order. And just like we did before, we're going to go ahead and enter the access provider. And how I know it's eBooks Central is under order info right here. It says eBooks Central, and that's a ProQuest thing. So this is it right here. So again, we're going to do Oasis because that's who we bought this from. And the price is $165. And the reporting code is going to be engineering because you can see the LC subject headings say technology engineering. And I bought it for that, so we're going to do engineering right here. And manual packaging. And then we're going to click on save and continue. Yep, save and continue. We're going to get our PO line 549 and then put that in here. Alright, and that's basically how I'm entering the information into Alma as far as purchase order lines is going.